Aya Akashwani Itanagar. Jo Thursday, December dia hajek kini yaw kini banga sisket nap. Nya jentu monyak. Arunachal Chief Minister Pema Khandu ya mija ketepa district headquarter Tawang hana wangkala Tawang Town Development kuskam pangna tebekhingkhang wangka. Town Rinwa Gyangkhar noksaha khonyak phang development ku hasije kotmen pangniap takrep beda. Tawang Nwa Buddha Park se Tawang Archery Ground yanyap Chief Minister mija tebi ye khang. Yama bank ne ngunsijen sekamcha pangna hadang khonyak ne jang se Tawang Nwa Center for Literacy shi keci himworo yaman kechuk rorang ya becet la yate na Chief Minister Pema Khandu hondak matas khoro. Comprehensive scheme for strengthening of transmission and distribution system nawa Arunachal na jamli kuskam hoyang lia yatharebe thongpha kumija Deputy Chief Minister Chauna Meni ngong testuna 132 kV transmission electric line kawangka hatin thongte dungku ex gratia relief package minne ngunsije equipment ku se kolap tukar likabali transmission line hoya pangnanya ngongthun ya chu lebhe leda. Itanagar Municipal Corporation ne corporator ku election ya panchayat election pangjak lya vujowi nabya Itanagar ne shinap yokini December bechu napho sekhet chuma bebang ya abyok ya yakunap ya State Election Commission shi lebhe leda. Candidate se counting agent tei mamamin ya form 33 nyap na copy kini ma bevivelya municipal returning officer ku khushet apang khushet ya counting agency ya kenap na shomket laka ku rekhap ya State Election Commission shi kepang malbako da. Candidate se counting agent joni vote yo winap na counting homong na mobile phone shom ya State Election Commission shi kepang ma lebih dham leda. Panchayat election result yato shinap abyokwiya vuyokwe pangna counting supervisor se counting assistant don na training code ku Upper Siang district headquarter yingkyong na deputy commissioner kam district election officer karekha ma program to bhana ya chu training code ya agriculture development officer Sanjay Singh se ASO agriculture nwa Amit Dihinder. Lishit Chongpo Kemin Rinang Kulus Trico Filas nga Science Pangma Min Kehet ya Arunachal na Tawang ha ya chutakachua. Ya kejuju Chongpo ya yang jesit sibanga ngana Sikkim hana 1900 yang nanyap ruksha kecujon. Dekwe kaskoma design kahon yang yathapang na hayop Indian wa Uttar Pradesh na Lucknow ha yachu keje don kelyotot lya Arunachal khonyak kimin nyabom bagra lomi best hand woven fabric designer award takachua ya kerorang ya becela social justice minister Kento Jini nyabom bagra lomi na hondak matas khorwa. Adventure Tour Operators Association of India Shia Srinagar ha Jammu and Kashmir na Arunachal Convention ku ngong thunlia Arunachal Nwa Anini haya tourist khonyak khingkhang lima lakasami ranga yaman junjulia Best Emerging Adventure Destination Award nyap tukwa. Jonyu kisha kasama het pangna woro viven kwate ledangana Bharat Win Portal yachu https bharat win mowr.gov.in yachu vivel la kenyang koitmen. Water Resources Department yama River Development se Ganga Rejuvenation Ministry of Jal Shakti si nawa remek kecebe kechukma ke vivente khonyaku lakshet ke sekhor minna abkwa. Itanagar Meteorological Center Shinwa Rek Kecebe, East Kameng, Pake Kesang, Siang, West Siang, East Siang se Leparada District Yachu, Bingke se Ketat ma yang nam Sain Keshukma Tabakonga Adanga. Arunachal ne Jonyu Chumyu Akesha Kesama Head Pangna Worote, the Youth Mission for Clean River Shi Keminya. Mountains of Change booklet yachu Swachh Bharat Mission Arwanshi phang lebhet leda. Cha khobar yathen thonra